am Bishop of Jabalpur. My name is Bishop Gerald Almeida. I have been the Bishop of the diocese for last 12 years. And earlier to that, I was also working nearly about 10 years as a social work director. I also worked with Caritas for over 5 years as a member of the animation task force, during which I was given a responsibility to visit every diocese of Madhya Pradesh. Since the last 10 years, we have been working in the field of social, social apostolate, I call it, social work. And in that work, we have been a very big instrument in animating people, empowering people, building up people, and also forming groups. Like self-help groups are there, youth groups are there, and also women's groups are there. These are all the small little ways of organizing people, animating people, and empowering them to build up their own future. In this process, on the Jivika project, which has been supported by Caritas, and it also plays a major role. This major role basically consists in building up people, especially empowering them to search out and seek out and also identify their own strengths and also identify the areas where they can become successful. And that individually and collectively will help the people to use their own power and march forward. Jivika project is a project where the people are given encouragement, enlightenment, and also guidance, inspiration, and at times support to weigh how they can better their income and also how they can better their participation in the community formation and community building. And self-help groups which have been formed by various ways. These groups come together, discuss and deliberate, and also spend their time in making a decision which is common to all and also useful to others. Therefore, the Jivika project, supported by Caritas India, and I think it is also supported by Caritas Spain, it has got a very valuable role to play in empowering the powerless, marginalized. And also we are working in such places that at times where we have not reached, that what we say, reaching the unreached. And that becomes a challenging work. It is not easy work, but pretty challenging work. Therefore, I wholeheartedly welcome the initiative of Caritas and also thank them for their support. And on our part, on the part of all those who are working in that area, I am sure they will collaborate and cooperate and extend their maximum cooperation and participation in building up and making the Jivika project a success.
Bishop Ji, just few questions.
Yes.
Like, how do you see this GVCA program of Caritas integrated with the diocese, and how you own this program?
This is connected with the Dyson general plan. This is general, the Dyson is basically located in the rural area. And our population where we cater are the basically coming from the tribal communities and also Dalit communities and also a sizable OBC community. Now all these communities are in educationally far from the national average. Therefore the education is the one thing. But education can be given to the coming generation. Therefore generation which has already crossed over the educating period, those people need to be addressed, and addressing can be done only by organizing them as a self-help group, and therefore we have got a very big number of self-help groups in the diocese. And this small group of people right now, this Jivga project is being experimented, implemented, and also supported for those groups. Therefore, this becomes a very important component in building up the abilities of the people and also giving them a new direction of the marching forward in building their life in a more organized manner.
Bishop Ji, how you see the role of Caritas India and Caritas Spain in shaping this program?
Caritas India and Caritas Spain through Caritas India are giving us the required inputs and also required direction. See, any project from the grassroots point of view cannot succeed unless someone gives a direction, a motivation, or a kind of a marching forward, ways of marching forward. Therefore, I see this project is a project that will succeed to the extent that we get a guidance from them. At the same time, participation of the local community is a greatest need, and that we are trying to ensure that the community gathers together, community plans together, delivers together, and makes decisions together and march forward. This is the way I look at the role of Caritas and Caritas Spain through Caritas India.
Basically, this project is also known as one of the most innovative project because in this project we have used a lot of social media, a lot of visibility. It has also known as the most covered development program in Madhya Pradesh, especially in the print media. And there's a lot of visibility. There's a logo of the program as you have seen, and there is a blog. There is a publicity, visibility of this program results on a various social media. So how you see this entire innovation and how you are able to relate this entire innovation with a sustainable development?
See, and, I see, at least personally, I see this innovation. It is, we are not experimenting it all over. It is on a limited period, in limited areas we are experimenting. And from the reports and from the feedback and from the evaluation what we see, it has done an immense good for those participants, those people who are involved in that. In that connection, I see this project, if it is, can be really promoted and also proper visibility is given through the media, I'm sure this will attract a greater attention of other agencies as well. Because this is the work one agency cannot do all over the place. But a methodology and then the direction and also input that are being cultivated for this project, if they can be visualized and also made public and made available to others, I am sure there will be agencies who will also may take up in the similar direction. But it is innovative project which is earlier it was never practiced, but now it has come and it appears to be gaining very strong acceptance among the people and also a great degree of contentment is there both for the workers as well as from the participants.
Uh, Bishop ji, as you know that this program, through this program, we also try to strengthen the Catholic social teachings. So, as a bishop, how you see that this program strengthens or s- add value to the Catholic social teaching? How you see as a bishop of this diocese?
See, Catholic social teaching is basically nothing but building of the community. The unreachable should be reached, marginalized should be empowered, and also continue to live as a brothers and sisters. In that connection, I see this project helps us to go to those people who are unreachable people, or marginalized people, or disadvantaged people, to build up into a community who are empowered, who will take up their own lives in their own hand and progress, make parts of progress. The Catholic teaching basically teaches that we have to help the people, we have to build up the people, we have to guide them, also we have to support them. In that connection, on the teaching of Christ is only love your neighbor, and that is the basic notion where we all practice, where we articulate, we also preach, we also motivate people, because helping others should be one's duty and responsibility, especially educated people as we are, and the church as a body always does this, giving itself for a cause of the poor and the needy. And that is the social teaching that church told us to love your neighbor as yourself.
And the last question, Bishop Ji, how do you think that this Jivika program could be replicated in other parts of India by other agencies or by Caritas? Do you think that this is a replicable model?
Given the feedback what I have at my end, I think it is a very well replicable project, and also especially this project is a very becomes very meaningful to the people who are marginalized, because they are the people who are searching and seeking the way out to make their progress in their life. Therefore, this project, I think at least, will make a very attractive proposition for any agency to promote. And also this can be replicable in any areas where people are marginalized or deprived or unreachable people who are struggling to come up in life. Therefore, I feel very strongly that can be replicable. And I think there will be agencies will be definitely will take up and support this cause.
Thanks, Bishopji. Thanks a lot for sharing your reflection on Jivika and sharing your time to reflect on Jivika. Thanks a lot.